Okay, everyone, so just to start off the tutorial, first, you turn on your Mac computer, and at the bottom of the panel, you will see the Adobe Illustrator application, and it'll ask, for the key access, you click OK, then you go to File, New, and then that will be the way how you open up your new document. Now, you can name it anything you want to name it, it doesn't have to be specific, but I named mine Logo Shapes. And the new document should pop up after you already, certified everything. So then you go to the left-hand side of the screen, which is where your toolbar is, and you will see shapes. I chose a star as a shape, and you can make it, you can use any shape you want to make, and using certain keys, you can create it into a triangle or a 4-point star. I created mine to be more than just a regular 5-point star. So now that I've enlarged it, made it at a size that I would like my logo to be, I now want to add an effect to the ends of my star because I just don't want it to be points. I would like to have some sort of twirl. So I will use the twirl tool to give it more of a curve or more of a curl look to the star. And I'm going to apply that to the points of the star. And I'm just going to go around the whole entire star until you see like a little curl towards the end of each of them. Okay, so as you can see, my curls or my twirl tools, um, they each have their own different curl definition. You can make it super curly or not as curly, it doesn't really matter. And I'm just continuing on using the twirl tool because I really like that tool. Makes the star look very abstract and almost sun-like. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to add text to my logo. And the way how you do that is first you go to your selection tool, and then you want to click on draw on the inside because I'm going to use another shape to be the background for the text that I want to put. I'm going to use the eclipse tool, which creates a circle, but I'm going to make it almost like an oval to kind of I just like that. I like the oval look. And I'm going to put it in the center, enlarging it a little bit, enough. And you can make it, like I said before, you can make it just as big or just as small as you would like, but for the fact that if you are creating a logo, you do want it to be a nice size where people can read it and understand what is on the advertisement sheet. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to include another eclipse tool, and this will be the very one that I will use to text inside of. So I'm going to my type tool, and now I'm going to put something that just kind of relates to me, relates to who I am. Like I said, your logo could be anything you want it to be. This is just something that I'm just doing just to show you all how you can get started. Um, I'm gonna change the font that I would like to use, and there's a variation of fonts that you could use. You don't have to use anything that like Times New Roman. You can make it anything you want to make it. You can make the size of font just as big, just as small, and I'm gonna just put Kenge's Arts and Crafts just to give it some sort of flair. And so after I give my text, I put it in whatever format it wants to be in, on the side, in the middle, on the center, but preferably the middle always is best when it comes to logos and advertisements. And now I'm going to shift the bigger circle into the little circle so then the wording can be on the inside. And there you have it. And this is me just giving you all a little 411 on the class that I took and where I learned this. So I hope you all enjoy.